अब तनाज़े को लेकर हाईकोर्ट का रुख करने वाली तालिबात ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब किया और कहा कि हाईकोर्ट ने हमारे साथ नाइंसाफी की है। हाईकोर्ट को सारे शवाहिद दिए गए, हमने अपनी बात रखी और दस्तूरी तरीके से अपना हक मांगा, लेकिन हमें नहीं मिला।
ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಜಡ್ಜಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಇದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ರೀಸನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ರೀಸನ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್, but they have put it this reason that it's not important in our religion, but it's false. We will take it forward, but we will follow as I said that we will take it forward with all the legal ways. We will try all the legal aspects as much as possible. We'll try to make our judges and High Court understand that it is important in our religion. Hijab is important in our religion. I don't know why they didn't knew about this. Like they have said it, our lawyer has said it, they have mentioned about it, but still they ignored this part and they kept this statement in front. It's really sad. We will fight for it. Now fight ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Now all the legal ways we'll try and we'll fight for our justice, our rights, and the verdict which came today is it's unconstitutional, because when constitution is only providing us to do this, providing us to follow my religion, follow whatever I can wear, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಹಕ್ಕು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Every single media have been saying this whole story to every single media from 3 months, and look where we are sitting in the same place, no justice. Do you feel isolated? We feel so many more things, we can't even explain that. We feel really sad that we are the citizens of this country and we have been not treated equally. There is no justice prevailed. So what else do you all expect? Like, what is the question you want us? What do you want us to answer right now? We expected that we would get the justice. We expected we would get the justice because it is essential in our religion. Hijab is essential in our